This is Series 2, and it has having an issue about this connectivity. I mean, the sound on this side, the right side, is not making sound, or not cannot discover. Here I am going to perform factory reset on this earbuds just to refresh the earbuds, or to make it reset. And first thing first, you have to connect the USB cable, and of course the earbuds must be inside the charging case, both sides, and then you have to connect it to the power. And next is, there's a button here at the back. You have to press this button rapidly 10 times or more until you see the orange light appears blinking on this LED. Okay, so let us start. My USB-C is attached, and I'm going to press rapidly this button 10 times or more until it blinks orange. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So nothing happens. I'm gonna close it again, and I'm going to repeat the process. Open, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now as you can see, it blinks orange. And the final is, you have to see the green. Okay, double blinks green, meaning the earbuds is already in a factory reset. We just successfully reset the earbuds. Okay guys, hope you learned something on this video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. God bless us.